How to stop push messages on PLAYit mobile app. So let's start. First, open the app. And next, go here and click on this Me icon. Settings. And then go here and click General. And here, just tap on this. This is how can you stop receive push messages. Also, you can do more. If you go back, just hold, tap and hold on this application. Click here, app info. And here, what can you do is you can allow some permissions. So if you go here, other permissions, as you can see, everything is off. So for example, this one, display pop-up windows while running in the background. Just click on it and just click deny. Make sure it's deny, okay? And you can do it with everything here. If you go back, click on app permission. You need to keep it like this because they need your files and media. But you can deny like camera, location, or microphone. And if you do this, I don't know if it works, maybe, but there will be like maybe less commercials, ads, but I think there are still many ads, but it is what it is, right? I like this application to use it because it opens like a lot of formats and you can play every sound or every audio, and that's it. This is how can you stop push messages on PLAYit mobile app on Android or iOS as well. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe the channel so I can do more of these videos. And that's it. Bye bye.